looking for ways to make money without having a startup? Come close, because this video is for you. Here are 9 mind-blowing ways you can make money without having a startup capital on you. Yes, when I say startup capital, I mean without having a dime on you. Hi besties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Vibe with Tonia. Please do well to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, like and share this video because someone somewhere will be needing this video. Without wasting much time, let's dive into the video. Number 1, we have personal shopper. Personal shopper entails someone who collects money from people, goes to the market and shop on their behalf. For example, working class people that don't have time to go to the market. All you need to do is collect the money from them, go to the market, add your profit, and then you're good to go. You buy their items, give to them, and then you hold your profit. Some people would want to pay you. Some you can negotiate with them. Madam, how much are you going to pay me for this work I want to do for you? They'll tell you, I'll pay you so amount. Some will tell you, just go and buy for me. All you need to do is just add your own gain. You don't even need to ask some of them, how much will you pay? The money they will give you will be enough for you to shop and have gain on it. Those your neighbors that you know that they don't always have time to do anything, you can go and meet them one-on-one. Hello ma'am, I shop for people. What would you like us to shop for you? Before you know, they've given you the money, you've gone to the market, you've collected your gain. Just imagine shopping for 2 to 3 persons within your area. And after shopping for them, for example, they give you 8,000 to shop for them or 60,000 to shop for them. After shopping for them, you end up making 10,000 or you end up making 8,000. Just imagine how much that is when you shop for 5 to 10 persons in a week or in 2 weeks. Can you calculate your gain? Number 2, dropshipping. Dropshipping is simply the means by which you post products on your status, on your social media platform, and then when a customer demands for it, you send the money to the supplier. Your supplier will do the delivery directly to your customers. For example, you decide to sell shoes and your customer posts the shoes for about, your suppliers rather post the shoes for about 14,000 naira. And you added an extra gain of 4,000 naira, that's 18,000 naira. Then your customers demand for it. You collect the 18,000 naira from your customer, request for WABI fee, collect, let me make an example, the WABI fee is 2,000 naira. Collect the 2,000 naira from the customer. You send 16,000 naira to your supplier, that's 14,000 naira for the pair of shoes, and then 1,000 naira for WABI fee, that's 16,000. Then you keep your 4,000 naira to yourself. Your supplier would do the work of wabbling it down to your customer and your customer will pick it up. All you need to do is just get a legit supplier of anything you choose to sell. Anything at all you choose to sell. It's that simple and you earn extra income, extra money from the comfort of your home. You can even use it as a side hustle. If you need me to make another video on how you get suppliers of anything you want to sell, drop it in the comment section and we'll make it happen in our next video. Number 3 is writing project work for people. Our university students can relate to this a lot. So all you need to do is go to Google, search the project topic. You see already written project work by professionals. You buy the topic, I think it's about 3,000 naira or so. Buy the topic, also go to ChatGPT, type the project work. When you type project work, you will see lots of explanation as regarding that work. Then you get an AI dictator. You copy everything that the ChatGPT wrote, paste it on the AI dictator. It's going to detect how many percent of AI is it written of, if it's 100%, because most schools, they used to decline it. Then you also get like a ChatGPT rewriter. It will rewrite everything that the ChatGPT wrote. That way, they will not be able to dictate if it was ChatGPT that wrote it or if you bought the course. It will write everything automatically. It will rephrase the words, the sentence and all that. That is another way to earn money. And trust me, they charge as high as 50 to 60k for this project work and as low as 40 to 30k for this project work. That's if the person like it, because they charge I think 10,000 naira per page, 10,000 naira per page. That is how sweet it is. And trust me, it's not only students that can do this one. You can do it from the comfort of your home. As long as you have done it for one person and you are good, other students will keep on referring other incoming students for you. And it's not even something that you do once and you stop. You will continue doing it because people are graduating every year, every 3 months, Abby. Yes, people are graduating. So it's something you will do constantly and you will earn from it. Now, note, these days they have created lots of Facebook school group. All you need to do is do your graphics, do your design. If you're thinking of how to get clients, do your graphics, go to Canva, do your graphics, do your design, post it on those groups, post it in their school groups. They allow people to post it there. And trust me, even if you want to get customers and you make yours as low as 40 to 30,000, you get lots of customers as long as you are able to make it AI dictation free. Like their lecturers will not be able to dictate if it was written by AI or not, and you are good. All you need to do is just use the AI, the ChatGPT rewriter, and it will rephrase all the statements, and you are good to go. So tell me my thank you in the comment section. Number 4, plastic rubber gathering. Yes, when I say plastic rubber gathering, I mean this. You see this thing? You see this rubber? People are earning a lot from it. It's not just this rubber. There are some other recycling items that people used to earn a lot from. All you need to do is ask around your area. I beg those people where they buy rubber, you know anybody. So there's somebody that will know somebody that will know somebody that knows somebody that knows people that buy this thing. Gather these things in your area. If you have those families that they used to drink plastic water, they used to drink bottled water very well, go and meet them, sir, ma, please, I'll be needing this your plastic rubber anytime you're done. I used to sell it. People make as much as you pack, as little as 5,000 naira. So imagine you're able to pack these plastic rubbers so much. And I don't know how much they make per 10 rubbers though, but I know that as much as it is, you can make as low as 5,000 naira and as high as 20,000 naira, depending on the quantity of rubber you are able to get. Very simple. You make money from the comfort of your home, even without having capital. Let's move to the next. Number 5, start a print on demand business. What do I mean by that? You see all this printing, all these frames, all these print on cups, print on make birthday baskets with printed things like print key holders, print on print banners. You don't even need to own a shop. All you need to do, go to one of these printing shops around you. Tell them, sir, please, I'd like to repost what you've printed. It's just like drop shipping. You repost their works, and when a customer needs any of the services, you collect the money from the customer, add your gain, go to the shop, tell them that see what the customer demanded for. They will give you exactly what the customer needs. You pick up the item and you deliver it to the customer, and you are good to go. That's on period. Very simple, no stress. Just make sure you get the exact details the customer needs. You give your printer the exact details the customer requested for, and voila, your work is ready. Number 6, we have cleaning job. And cleaning job doesn't necessarily mean that you are a cleaner or you just go and apply for a job of a cleaner. No. Look, there are most people that they find it difficult to do their house chores by themselves. Do you understand? Not like you are going in as a house help. You work for them, I think, twice a week. You make an agreement with them that you come twice a week and you'll be paid for your services per week. Every 2 days, they pay you. They will tell you maybe I'll pay you 4,000 naira today, 4,000 naira the next day you come, and then you're collecting 8k in a week. Some will tell you no, 5k in a week. All you need to do is get like 2 to 3 houses that you'll be doing this thing. Scatter the day. You might go to this house on Monday, you go to this house on Tuesday, on Wednesday you rest. The next day you go to the other house on Thursday. The next one you go to the other house on Saturday. So you have 2 houses you are working for. And imagine that 2 houses are paying you 5k per week. You end up getting 10,000 naira in a week. You can even get more people, more houses you do this job for. It's that simple. All you need to do is Go to Canva. I'm still relating back to my Canva. Make a graphics design. And please, if you want me to make another video on how to make graphic designs for your various businesses, please drop it in the comment section. I will do it in the next video. Make a various design about your business, cleaning services available. Write the so thing and so thing you want to be doing. Even if you even want to be washing their clothes for them, most of them will still add up, and they would want you to, and they will add up the money. It's that simple. Making money no too hard o. Na dey find where una go dey find big big ones. You start from scratch. See, I know somebody that does this cleaning business. She started personally. She started on her own, and when the demand became too much, she started employing people. Like, she will employ them. When this order comes, you send this person go here, send this person go here. By the time that client is paying 7,000 naira for that day, she'll take her commission 2,000 naira and give the client the remaining 5,000 naira. Sometimes she take her commission 3,000 naira and give the worker the remaining 4,000 naira. It's that simple. You start somewhere and then you grow big. Moving on. Before I continue this video, I would plead with you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell. Share this video because somebody somewhere will be needing it. And like, please. It drives engagement to my page. Thank you so much. The number 7 on our list is tutoring. Yes, teaching. And you don't even need to be a teacher for you to open up a tutoring center within your territory, like around your area. All you just need to do is meet these parents. Hello ma, I take children lessons after school, like so that they will not be playing around or disturbing in the house. For a token, you can decide to collect 3,000 naira per child, 5,000 naira per child in a month, and you have 20 children. 5,000 naira times 20 is how much again? Please calculate for me. It's that simple. As long as you're good, they'll keep on referring you to other people. You keep on, as long as they're seeing their child improving, they'll keep on referring you to other people. And note, tutoring is not just about you teaching children. There are also apps that you can register online to tutor people. For example, English, mathematics, commerce, different people register online to get tutored. It's not even just about subject work. You can also tutor people on handwork, plumbing, hairstylist, tailoring. Yes, online. I have registered with one app to tutor people on hairstylist, on hair making. I'll make a screenshot of the app and post it and attach it to this video. I got about 3 clients then, and I did not even register as a premium member. I just registered normally for free, and I got about 3 to 4 people that demanded for my services, and I made money from them. It's just that I have not updated my profile in a while. That's why I've not gotten any clients for now. So you see, it's not just about, you can make money from the comfort of your home. It's not just about you tutoring children. You can teach people on, you see different options on the app to teach people anything, different things. Moving on. Number 8, we have blogging. Yes, blogging. Social media pays a lot this period. You can see, for example, me doing this video, I am pushing my YouTube to get monetized. And then Facebook also pays. I don't know if Instagram pays, but I know you can get paid as an influencer if your page is posted and then your page gets engagement. It's not even about the followers. If you usually get engagement on your page, people will pay you to advertise products for them, and voila, you're good. And blogging. Nigeria, if you want to succeed in blogging, just talk the opposite of any trending topic. For example, I would use maybe a celebrity that divorced recently. Just talk about it, that yes, the divorce is worth it. Just speak negatively and you will see engagement on your page. I don't know, Nigerians don't like truth, but I don't know why it's so. But if you know you're ready for violence, you're okay with violence, like your heart can carry violence, just go through this route for blogging and you will watch your page grow massively in the shortest period of time. But if you know that your mind cannot carry violence, please leave it. go through the normal means of reacting to video, doing your own pure video, doing talking about your family, talking about relationships, talking about maybe praying for people, different genuine things. If you know your mind cannot carry violence, but if you know your mind can carry violence, just try this means. Come back and tell Tonya thank you. Moving on, the last option we have on our list is real estate. Yes, real estate is the double of them all. Real estate, why I call real estate the double of them all is because you can add as low as 100,000 naira to as high as 1 million naira on a particular property. All you need to do is look for a real estate company, register with them, post their properties back to back, talk to your neighbors, talk to the marketers, talk to marketers, I mean where you buy things from, talk to one Odogu friend that knows one Odogu friend that knows one Odogu friend. And before you know, voila, you sold one property, two property, three property. It's not going to be as easy as you think. But note, for every business, for every drop shipping business, for every business you want to venture into, even if you're making use of capital to start, you must be consistent. Above all, you must be patient. So it's not going to be as easy as you think it is, but trust me, your consistency will surely get you one customer that will refer you to another person, you get another customer that will refer you to another person, and before you know, you become big in the world of real estate. Why do you think most of this celebrity promotes lands, houses back to back? Because most of them add as big as 5 million naira on a property. Yes, 5 million naira on a property. So you start little to end big. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and I hope you've gotten value from this video. Please do well to subscribe to this channel, and if you need me to talk about anything I've mentioned here, if you need me to expatiate on any of the businesses I've mentioned here, please do well to talk about it in the comment section and I will be pleased to expatiate on them. If you need me to talk about any particular business, if you need me to talk about ways to sell more on social media, trust me, say it in the comment section. Just try me and say it in the comment section, and I will be pleased to do it. I pray that God will continue to bless us all. God will continue to give us wisdom, knowledge, and understanding to push our businesses to the higher level. Amen. Thank you, guys. Thank you for following. Thank you for subscribing. I love you all. Mwah.